Good evening. Today we are going to see one important website. It is very easy website and it is very useful for everyone. For everyone, it is very useful. See, if you are going to any job, you need a resume, and sometimes we will type and we will make a resume, but it will not make more like see some person who is taking interview, he may like it or he may not. So here we can do instant resume making online with free websites. There are number of websites which give us free resume making, but here I saw I just prepared many resumes over here, and I liked some websites, and today I'm going to show that website. Just type there as open any browser and they type as RESUME resume MAKE make dot online and then give enter. See here we can see resume now is there, and here you can see resume builder is there free, and first we'll see this one. Resumenow.com is there. Just go for resume.now.com, click on that. See first which we was typing, which I showed now just one resume make dot online. First I have opened the browser and I type there as resume resume make dot online, and I gave enter, and this page appeared, and here it is showing as not secure. If you feel this is not secure, just don't give any details over here and don't do. So just to show the original and the I mean, I'm not saying this is fraud, but when browser is showing us this is not safe, just follow that and just go for another thing. So I felt here one more website is there. It is very good, and just I want to show not secure and secure one. So that's why I first opened this one and I showed here not secured. So just close it, and now which I selected was open a browser, and then there you type as resume.now.com, resume and slash and now.com, and open this one. Whenever you go and whenever you search for any website, whenever you are going to search in any website, just check there that it is secure or not. HTTPS must be there. HTTPS is hypertext transfer protocol secure. If it is secure, then only you have to browse your entire details, like your bank details or some personal details or professional details, whatever it might be. You have to check for HTTPS in your browser. So here I have opened this free resume builder, and then here you can see this page appeared, and choose a template. See here loading 32 professional resume designs, and pre-written phrase, job titles, 9 templates, color options are there. So if you want color, or if you want style, or if you want education wise, or whatever wherever you are going to apply, just you have to select an template and then go for it. Here it is showing let's start with your header. Include your full name and at least one way for employers to reach you. So you have to include here your full name. Suppose XYZ, and here type your surname, and then here New Delhi city, whatever city you are staying, that city, uh, and here country, and here pin code. You have to enter your pin code, some whatever pin code is there. Here you have to enter your phone number, and here you have to enter your email ID, whatever mail ID is there. So and so mail ID you have to enter over there, and then here resume dot now dot header experience, how much experience is there, you have to enter the details, and education skill summary, everything you have to enter over here. And if you want to just insert your photo, you have to just add a photo option is there. You have to click over here, and here it will show for a desktop option or a computer option. There you have to select your partition where your photo is located. If it is in desktop means add a photo and add desktop, and then insert your photo over here. Give your name, surname, city, country, pin code, phone number, email, and then continue. So here I have not gave any details, that's why it is showing us please use correct format for email address. So when you give entire details and give continue, it will start and it will go for second option like experience. And after filling of experience, then it will ask for your education details. After giving your education details, you have to give your skills, whatever skills you are having, you have to enter in your skills. And after that, summary about yourself and about everything whatever you want to explain, you have to give your summary. Finalize the entire thing, and then you have to just go for continue option. And when it will be complete, when the entire things will be complete, download option will come, and you have to download your resume and simply complete it. See here, choose a professionally designed template. First, when you open, how to create a job winning resume. Job winning resume. To win any job, you have to create first your resume. First impression is the best impression. So, you have to create one beautiful resume. So choose a professionally designed template. Here many options are there, many templates are there. You have to first choose your template. Then fill out each section. Just now I showed every sections, and fill out each section using our expert suggestions, and tailor your resume with a few clicks for any job, and then continue. So this way you can create your own resume. Create your own resume. So it is very good. And if you feel you see, I just choose this template. That's why those options came, and those way it was there. And if you want to choose any other templates means, you can go for any other templates. So this way you can online, you can create a nice beautiful resume, and you can impress your job place, and you can use it. See, typing, we can also type with our hand, and we can with our ideas we can create a resume. But it's a good, it's a fresher, for a fresher it is very good. Go through this, students and whoever newly applying for a jobs, this is very good platform for resume making. So guys, with my experience I am saying that it is very useful website to make and resume, because sometimes we miss some of our details. So in such place, here this model, this whatever I am showing about this resume model, it is very good. Go through this, and you also please verify it, and then you make a good resume, and then you go to a job for apply. So hope this video is good and somewhat, if you feel somewhat informative, please like, share and subscribe my channel guys. Thank you very much.